In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily download a JSON file from Google Cloud. Whether you're dealing with files stored in cloud storage or accessing a JSON key for service accounts, understanding how to download these files is essential for managing your data efficiently. So, let's dive right in, starting with how to handle JSON files from cloud storage. First, if your JSON file is stored in cloud storage, which is essentially a bucket in Google Cloud, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Google Cloud console. Once there, make sure you've selected the project that contains your files. This is crucial because Google Cloud organizes data and resources by projects, so make sure you're in the right one. After confirming your project selection, focus your attention on the sidebar. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Storage section and then proceed to the Browser option, which allows you to view all your storage buckets. Once you've navigated to the Browser section, you'll be faced with a list of buckets. Click on the bucket that contains your desired JSON file. Inside this bucket, you'll find an objects list showcasing all the files it houses. Search for the JSON file you want to download. Near this file, you should see a download icon. Simply click on this icon and voila! The file will begin downloading to your local machine. It's worth noting that sometimes, depending on the file type, such as JSON, merely clicking on the file name might open it directly in your browser instead of downloading it. If this happens, don't panic. Just right-click on the file name and select the Save Link as option. This will allow you to download and save the file directly to your computer. Now, let's talk about retrieving JSON files if they serve as service account or API credentials. Let's say you need to download a JSON key file for a service account. Begin by going back to the Google Cloud console. Navigate to the IAM and Admin section and choose Service Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of service accounts set up for your project. Select the service account that corresponds to the credentials you need to download. Once you've selected the correct service account, click on the Keys tab. Look for an option labeled Add Key. Click on it, then select Create New Key. Here, you'll want to specify that the key should be in JSON format. After making your selection, your browser will automatically download the JSON key file to your computer. This file serves as your credential in JSON form, allowing you to authenticate and interact with Google Cloud programmatically. And there you have it. A straightforward explanation of downloading JSON files, whether from cloud storage or as service account credentials. I hope this helps simplify your workflow, enhances your productivity, and allows you to manage your data with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.